do you stop thinking about your ex when they're the first thing on your mind every morning and the last thought before you sleep? The truth is, you can't force yourself to forget someone you genuinely loved. The more you tell yourself, don't think about them, the more your mind brings them back. Instead, every time they cross your mind, don't chase the memory, acknowledge it. Let yourself feel the emotion without judging it, and gently redirect your attention to something that builds your future. Go for a walk, call a friend, read a chapter of a book, pray, journal. Little by little, your mind learns that your life is bigger than your loss. Healing doesn't happen because you stopped loving them. Healing happens because you started loving yourself enough to keep moving forward. If your heart is still healing, follow Healing with Bianca.